What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Teeth by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications, that way you never miss a new tutorial and I won't have to throat punch you. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So you're starting in standard tuning and you're going to go capo on the 4th fret. This is going to be for the intro to the song. Once, like halfway through the song, it slows down and gets detuned. That part of the song is going to be this same thing, just slower and without the capo. It's going to be just regular on the guitar. Just move this entire formation down to the bottom of the guitar. But for now, I'm going to just show you how to play the intro, and then if you want to play the part at the end of the song, take the capo off, slow it down, and then play all of this down 4 frets. Now you're starting with the C formation, and you're just going to keep the same formation throughout the entire song because this just repeats. It's going to be 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. And you're going to be picking A, D, B, G, D, G. So A, D, B, G, D, G. And then take your index finger off of the B string and you're going to pick B, G, B, G, B, G, B, B, while putting that index finger back on the 1st fret of the B string on the last one. So B, G, B, G, B, G, B, B. So from the top, A, D, B, G, D, G, index finger off, B, G, B, G, B, G, B, B, A, D, B, G, D, G, B, G, B, G, B, G, B, B. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The 2nd place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.